I realized I never filmed an intro to this vlog, so hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This week's video is going to be a vlog. Just to give a little context of the next clip, I'm in Venice with my friends and we're at a tattoo parlor. That's all I'm going to say. So just sit back, enjoy, relax, have a good time. So yeah, next clip, here it is. We're getting them. She looks so scared. Deep breath in. I kind of heard it though. She's bleeding a little. I am? My fat lobe.
First one is in.
Woo, one more.
Yay.
What are we doing after this?
Okay, there's a good restaurant here. There's the Butcher's Daughter.
Oh, that's really good. Avocado toast.
At least it's done now. Oh, thank you.
Cool, you're welcome.
You look so scared.
Oh, let's hang out and...
Sit right there. And then you are done. Go ahead and check that out.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Hey guys, we're walking around in Abbot Kinney and we're gonna go to the Butcher's Daughter for some breakfast because I still haven't eaten. I have my piercings. They're low-key burning, like a little bit, but we're just gonna ignore that pain and we're gonna eat food. Ta-da! How do you feel?
I really like it. I think it's cute and it didn't hurt that bad, but now
It's hurting.
it's burning a little bit.
It's hurting, dude. Mine is like on fire. Me and Arja got breakfast burritos, and then Carly got some waffles. But we're gonna munch on this. We left the Butcher's Daughter, and we're walking around Abbot Kinney. It's like kind of cloudy, but sunny at the same time. My ears hurt a little bit less, so that's good. And I want to show you guys around. There we have the local weed store. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Very colorful. Chilling with my homies. Chilling with my homies. We were window shopping and then Carla was like, let's go in the store. So we're here now.
Come on out, don't be shy. Wow. I like it.
Yeah, but you can't wear a bra with it.
Yeah, I know.
Can you tighten the straps?
I'm gonna fall. Go on. We're at Bloomingdale. We have a mission, so obviously we're bored. We came to Bloomingdale's and we're looking at fancy gowns. And I think we're gonna try some on, so.
Okay, let's each pick out like two.
Yeah.
Two? Alright, okay. Go for it. We got our dresses. Wait, I hope they allow us to try them on. This is psycho. I mean, it kind of fits my waist a little bit.
Okay, so prom, let's all be together.
So this is dress number 1. These are like the ugly dresses we picked out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Dress number 2. I actually really like this one. Like I would wear this. Like if I had an event to go to, I would wear this.
This fit, I'd wear it.
I completely forgot to vlog, but we went to Abercrombie and I wasn't like expecting to get anything, but I got a dress. It's so cute. It's like green with polka dots.
Yeah, it's quite cute.
Lovely. Hey guys. Oh, fucking turn this music off. We're going home. Yeah, that's all.
Talking in an accent.
Okay. Guys, we're going home. I've been getting a lot of questions on my phone case recently and it's from Casetify. I have been obsessed with Casetify phone cases for almost 2 years now. Every now and then I get new ones and I switch it up, but this is the one I'm currently obsessed with. I think it's very aesthetically pleasing. It's like when you are about to send out a package, you like stick on those, you know, like postal things. That's what this has and I think it's really cute. Besides the fact that they have the dopest cases, most of them have military grade drop protection, and because I'm the clumsiest person I know and I drop my phone probably like 4 times a day, it's nice to know that my case is gonna protect it. So I want to help you out and I'm gonna give you guys a 20% off a discount code. I will leave the link to Casetify's website in the description and you can use my code right here for 20% off. I have a few other cases from Casetify with me right now. This one's probably my favorite. I mean, not to be like a narcissist or anything, but it has my name written over it. Whoa. That is absolutely amazing. Look at that. That is insane. Oh my god. I will be using this case next. This is probably my favorite one. I just really like this little astronaut dude. Look at him. He's vibing. He's having the time of his life in the moon. Or the galaxy. One last thing I wanted to mention before sending you guys back into the video, Casetify came out with a new UV sanitizer, and what's super incredible of them is that they donated 100% of the proceeds to Global Giving's Coronavirus Relief Fund. So they've donated over $100,000 to medical workers in need. I think it's so amazing and so generous of Casetify because everyone is going through a hard time, but most of all, our doctors, our nurses, our medical assistants, whatever you want to call it, they are literally risking their lives every single day to help people out in need, and it's just really nice to be able to give back to them. And for that reason, I love Casetify even more. All right, go get yourself some cute ass cases. The link is in my bio as well as my coupon code. So with that being said, let's get back into the video. I think the last clip you guys saw was me driving back from Century City with my friends. Well, I went to their houses and my mom ordered like a bunch of patio furniture because she's like redoing her patio. So she needs help, you know, building things because I'm just like the best builder there is. So I'm gonna go ahead and help her. I feel like this vlog, I do something like really random every second of it. So there is that. But let's go downstairs and help her. I don't know why I'm here. Here we have mom building chair number 2. Chair number 1 is built, and then we have like a little table, and then there's supposed to be glass on top. Big boy stretch, oh yeah. Let's see what these people are up to. Wow. That's enough building for one day for me. I am done. I'm letting them do all the work. And I got some packages, so let's just open those. Ooh la la. It's from Glow Recipe. This is the Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. Oh, it's like a makeup remover. Well, I do love me some cleansing balms, so this will come in handy. And then this is a gentle cleanser. I love Glow Recipe packaging. Like, it's always so nice to look at. It's just a little baby product. And then we have a bigger package. I think I know what this is. Let me give a little background story to this purchase. So I've been wanting like platformed Converse, like black ones, for a really long time. So I finally ordered them. And then I got them, they like fit perfectly, but I wanted to get them a half size bigger so that I could like wear it longer. And so I returned them and I went to buy a new pair and I accidentally got the same exact size. So, I mean, I'll still show you the shoes. It's just, I'm gonna have to return this again for the second time. Converse is probably gonna be like, girl, like if you don't like these shoes, just stop buying them. They're really nice, like look at them. I really like them. I love anything that gives me more height, and these are like leather. I really think they're cute. They're really easy to style, matches everything. Just like a basic item, but too bad it's the wrong size. Now I have to like return this and then wait for the new ones to come again. Like this shit is so annoying. Like why do I have to be so stupid? Whatever, whatever. Dinner time. This is the final product of the garden. The garden. Beautiful. Wow. We have some stuffed peppers or dolma, salad, and eggplant, and watermelon. Oh wow, my plate looks so clean. Dinner is over, but now I'm gonna do some of my math homework because I'm taking summer classes and about to go solve some problems. I just submitted my final and I'm so happy. I mean, this is only the first semester and summer is over in like 20 days, which means I need to complete another whole semester in 20 days, but that's okay. Well, we're gonna push through it. I'm just glad I was able to submit this. I see he loves you.
Would you get me the watermelon from the
No. No.
Please, it's vlog content.
No.
Ready? Docs, what's happened to you? all stuck in it.
Do you think I can do it? Is that how you do it? It's time for farewell.
Oh yeah, Mr. Koala Bear is in the zone.
Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. And say bye.
Bye.
Love you guys.